Welcome back to Everpreneur. Today we're going to be talking about our tool that we like to use to generate our hashtags and find ones you've never found before, find top hashtags, and just random ones that you can't even find by thinking about them. So what we're going to do is actually blow up our phone, not physically blow it up. We're not going to actually blow up the phone, but we're going to blow it up on the screen and show you guys exactly how we use all-hashtag.com/hashtag generator. The link's going to be in the description. What this allows you to do is basically you can put in your niche and it'll show you all the top hashtags in your niche, and then it'll go down by like top 30 and then go to the next 30, like the second best 30, the third best 30. So really it's a great way of that pyramid hashtag technique we talked about in the other video. We're gonna actually be able to, you're gonna really be able to actually expand on that and use this generator to find what those pyramid hashtags are, so you can have your first 50% hashtags be less than 20,000 to 20,000 to 50,000 and less. Then your next 30% be 50,000 to 100K, and then go up from there, right? A couple, maybe 5% of your hashtags being in the 1 million or the big ones. So this generator, awesome. I use it all the time. And once I created my tops, I saved them in my iPhone notes. I never had to use it again, right? You use it once, find out what your top hashtags are for the top 30, next top 30, and so on and so forth. Put that in your notes and then use that forever. So great little tool, and I'm going to be explaining it very soon. So hey Everpreneurs, did you guys love that video? We're going to love the next two we picked just for you. Check them out over here, and we'll see you there.